This video shows you how to install Ring Indoor Cam, a smart, wide security camera that can be placed just about anywhere indoors. To get started, bring your indoor cam to the room in which you plan to install it. Now open the Ring app on your phone or tablet. The app is available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Select Set up a device, tap Security Cams, then scan the barcode on the back. This begins the setup process in the app. When prompted, plug the power cable into your indoor cam. If you feel resistance, give the plug a little wiggle. Once it's fully seated, the housing of the plug will be slightly recessed. Then plug the power cable into a socket. If you plan to simply sit your indoor cam on a surface, just place it at your chosen location. Your indoor cam is now ready to protect you. Now let's look at how to mount your indoor cam onto a wall. First, remove the base by unscrewing it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Reattach the base to the back of your indoor cam. Make sure the up arrow on the bracket is pointing upwards. Once it's on, remove the mounting bracket from the base. It should slide right off. Now hold the mounting bracket against your wall with the up arrow pointing upwards and secure it to your wall with the included screws. Next, slide your indoor cam onto the bracket by guiding the grooves in the base onto the hooks in the mounting bracket. Then, plug it in. Your indoor cam is now ready to protect you. We hope this video has helped you set up your Ring Indoor Cam. Need more help? Visit us at ring.com.